It's so annoying that you organic guys do not understand that you're literally just have to put more time and make more money. And you do not understand that an employee is more time. It's so annoying to me. It's so annoying. You guys do not understand that.
What kind of switch are you talking about? So, because like this filming and editing is all on the creator side. So trying to outsource it is a whole.
I think, Michael, I think you're right. But I also think you like editing is not I just editing in these videos, I don't think it's as easy as like
Guys, you're not as smart as you think. You're not literally, you think you're those geniuses which nobody can ever replicate what you guys are doing.
True.
It's so annoying because I'm just seeing this and it's a money-making machine. If you put in more time, you make more money. And you guys just put more time. It's so dumb.
I can't.
So what would be the ideal situation?
The ideal. Bro, Mikey, you make one post. Hey, I'm hiring. Send me your videos, which you already are editing. Send me your edited videos. If they're good, you let them edit. And ideally, you get to a place where you don't even have to look at the videos before they're posted.
So it's mainly about outsourcing the editing part.
I don't know. Whatever takes more time. You also think, yeah, but why wouldn't they just do it by themselves if they're so good? Because most people want to be employed and not self-employed. They want to be on payroll and not lose money while having a month of work. It's like, why is not everybody just an entrepreneur? Because most people want to be employed. They want to have something stable. They're not done for having a business. And you guys think just because you are like that, everybody's like that.
Fair enough.
It's like there's no argument at all against just getting a person who's going to do things for you. And worst case, they're going to rip you off. They're going to learn everything from you and they're gone. And then you find a new person. You now learned how to teach a person to do whatever you want them to do and teach it to the next person. And still had a couple of months of like work done without spending time.
Jacob.
I answered April. Well, okay, that was for.
Oh, you already told me January.
Did I?
Yeah, well, we talked about this heat for a month. I'm telling you, like, it's so ridiculous.
Yeah, it's true.
I mean, there are guys in the collective that.
I will say, just out there, not to push away from it, I think Michael's group would be better than the collective. I think there's a lot of I think there's a lot of like, you're better off Michael connecting you with somebody who could use extra money than somebody in the collective. Yeah,
because I wouldn't connect you with a person. I want to, if I trust them, it means that they're kind of semi-good, at least, you know. If you hire people and you don't trust them, that can be an issue, and you guys don't know how to hire, so it's better to hire somebody who you trust. And it's either going to be a family member or a friend, or it's going to be a family member or a friend of a friend. So,
yeah. That makes sense.
I mean, yeah, like just put that as a priority. And I told Jacob, it's going to be so easy to teach them because literally you just go on Zoom and you do what you do for a month straight with them watching. It's not even extra work. It's just like half an hour a day, 1 hour a day extra work, because every action you do, you explain, it's going to be a little bit more extra, whatever. You pay them to watch. You don't, like what Jacob was also saying, yeah, but I'm afraid that I'm not going to be able to fill his time. So what? Then you lost what, 1.5K a month? Cool.
Yeah, damn. That's a lot of money.
Do other people not have this problem, or am I just retarded?
This guy, it's a lot of money, he says. It's not though.
It says the guy who made fucking 20K.
It's not a lot of money if you compare it to doubling the money you make. Does that make sense?
Fair enough. I definitely actually want to try it. So, like,
I don't try it. That's why I don't think it is a try it. I think it's like do it, because once you do it, you're not gonna not want to stop doing it, and then you're gonna.
Yeah. I told Jacob literally half an hour ago. Every single hire I did, I felt so dumb not doing it earlier. Every time I feel so stupid for doing it by myself instead of just giving it to somebody. It's crazy.
But Jacob, what's stopping you from?
Bro, the same thing as stopping you. Nothing. It's just you thinking that you know it better and nobody's going to be able to do it as good as you.
That's the one thing with organic, and then I'm just
Jacob, but wait, Jacob. Why is Mikey right now going viral as well?
Because you taught me.
Because there's somebody else in the world that can do it.
Yeah.
He's right. It's a good idea.
There's not a good excuse. I
don't know what's up with you guys. Especially organic, because it's so scalable with time on ads. It's not like that. You cannot just put in more time and directly correlate to make more money.
I'm down.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. No, I like, I have like something I could say or this or that, but like your thing just trumps it. It's like, no, it doesn't make it. At the end of the day, it's something that I should do. But yes, okay.
All right, that's done. Set yourself deadlines. Ask me, annoy me to find you somebody. Like it's on you guys to find a person. It's not on me. Mm-hmm. It's on you to annoy the shit out of me to find you somebody. Okay. And also, if you think about it, you guys, like, there's so many. Do you know how many broke influencers there are? Like, influencers can film. You know what I mean? They're broke. Broke. Super broke. So, like, even that, the same thing. I told you how I met Kuba. It's the same thing. But forget him. There's people who are filming, have a bunch of following, but just don't know how to monetize, and they would love to have a full-time job online editing videos. You know how cool, like, do you understand how good of a job that is compared to a regular job?
Kuba.
Not Kuba, just a person who's editing or filming or whatever, you know?
True.
Yeah. How's the winning card?
This is the last time we need to talk about it. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, okay, done. If you want me to shit all over you as well, click the link below, sign up for a free call with me personally, and we're gonna find out if you are a good fit. But in all honesty, I've seen so many very obvious mistakes to me, which are almost impossible to detect as a beginner or intermediate person. And this is exactly why we're doing all of this. If you don't have the eye for what the actual problem is, you're not going to be able to identify it. And it's going to basically take me just telling you straight to your face exactly what the issue is, that you see it instantly and just avoid the mistakes forever. If you're interested in working together with me in this program, click the link below and I'm going to talk to you very soon.